Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about human heart, the main component of circulatory system. So let's discuss the same. As you can see the diagram, this is we are going to discuss the same with the labelings. So first we'll talk about the heart, like what it is made up of, how it look like and all. So the heart is a muscular organ, okay, made up of muscles, and we know that thing. The specialized muscles are present in the heart, that are the cardiac muscle. Okay, the heart is made up of cardiac muscle. It is as big as that of our fist. Okay, fist size. We are going to close our fist, so this much big it is, of like adult human fist. That is the size of the heart. Where it is placed, that I have told you, it is tilted toward left lung. Okay, that's why the left lung is little bit smaller as compared to that of the right lung. And what is going to protect this? The rib cage, the bony cage, that protect lungs as well as heart also. So what is the main function of this? The function of heart is to pump the blood. Okay, while pumping it will contract, it will relax, and that results into release of the blood into the blood vessels, and that blood will reaches to different tissues in our body. So that is a pumping system. Similarly, that the pumping water motor is there in our houses. So with that water pump, what we are doing, we are transporting the water in the pipes, okay, to the distance part of the house. So in the same manner, the heart is going to pump the blood that will reach to the different parts of the body. Now the important part of thing about the human heart is it is of 4 chambers. As you can see, the human heart is made up of 4 chambers. The upper chamber, they are atrium. The lower chamber, they are ventricles. Okay, so as you can see 4, so you can see the left and right side. Upper chamber, atrium, lower ventricle. So this is our right side. So this particular side is right atrium, right ventricle. Left atrium, left ventricle. So we have 4 chambers, and these chambers, the sides, left side and the right side, are get separated by the partition. This partition, this complete partition, this is a septum. Okay, what it is? It is a septum. Well, going to label it, then we'll discuss the same. This is septum, which separate the left and right side of the heart. Okay, we know, we'll discuss that which type of blood is present in which particular chamber later on in the working. Now we are only discussing the structure. So these 4 chambers, what is the significance of 4 chamber heart in the human? The main significance is to prevent the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, and that will result into more efficiency. Okay, there will be more pure blood supply to the parts of the body. So the separation is done in these 4 chambers. This part is going to carry the deoxygenated blood, this part of heart is carrying oxygenated blood. Okay, so let's now label the parts. So these are atrium. Atrium are having thin wall as compared to that of ventricles. These are ventricles. Fine. This is inferior vena cava. Inferior means which is bringing blood from the lower part of the body. Okay, and this is superior vena cava. Vena cava are the biggest veins, we can say bigger veins. This will bring blood from upper part of body. This will bring blood from lower part of the body to the heart. Okay, they will going to open their blood, release their blood into the first chamber, right atrium. Okay, atrium done, ventricles done. This partition septum. Okay, this is the biggest artery of our body, aorta. Now we have pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein. Okay, and you can see these structures. These are termed as valves. What are these? These are valves which are going to prevent the backflow from ventricles to the atrium. Right? When they get filled, they get closed and the blood will not move back to the above chambers. So in both they are present. These are the valves. Clear? So this is all about the human heart. Thank you.